Alright guys, welcome to another video. Oh god, I can't get a good... So basically, I'm going to be straight up with you. I love the gold on the car. I love it. It looks nice and all that sort of stuff. It gets a lot of attention. But one thing that obviously went bad in my favour was the fact that I did it in two separate bits. So I did the whole car minus the back bumper. So now I've done the back bumper. It's slightly different gold, like shade. You can tell if you're really looking, but that's because the rest of it's faded slightly, which wrap does a little bit. It fades a little slightly. And I thought to myself, what is the next step? The wrap scratches so easy, like so easy. Even if you've got a clean sponge, clean everything else, clean bucket, it will still get scratches on it. So this has made me want to switch. So what I have done is I've ordered and done, which I'm going to show you in a minute, a matte satin chrome gold. I've done the front quarter panel, and you know, I like the colour in the sun, but I don't like the colour in the shade. It looks more of like a mustard colour, and I don't like that. But in the sun, it looks really nice. Now I'm going to add a photo on the screen right now, which I did of it on its own, because when I did the whole panel, it looks like I've edited it, and it looks like I've drawn it on with crayon. It looks strange. It looks like a really bad edit, but in person it looks good. It does look nice. I'm going to get out and show you on camera again in a minute, like I said. But I went for the gold because obviously I wouldn't have to change my V5C again, so that's why I went for a satin chrome gold. But as I'm looking at it, personally, I think I'm going to go a different colour. I think I'm going to scrap the gold altogether. I think I'm going to go with a... Not going to tell you. That's going to be a surprise. I'm actually not going to leak... I'm not going to leak the colour. I'm not going to post it on Instagram. I may post it just on its own, like on a vinyl wrap, like a piece of vinyl on Instagram. But I'm not going to post any of it done on the car. Now, if I do this and I do wrap the car in this, I'm obviously going to be replacing all the gold. The black should be staying the same, unless I come up with another design, which I do have another design, but I will ask your guys' opinion on that, obviously, when I've done the other colours on the car, because I want to see what it looks like myself before I do that. It's something to do with the bonnet. But yeah, I'm going to jump straight into this, and like I said before, if I do wrap the whole car again, I'm going to use that opportunity to record and show you guys how to wrap your front quarter panel, how to wrap your door, how to wrap your bumpers, all that sort of stuff. I'm hoping I can get like a little wrapping series in there for you guys, to give you an hand as well. So yeah, we're going to jump straight to it. I'm going to show it you. Give me your opinions. Personally, I don't think I'm going to keep it. Personally, like I said, the gold is probably going to go. Drop down below what colours you think I should go for. I do want a matte satin chrome colour. I don't want a gloss colour, and I want a matte satin chrome colour because it looks so good in the sun. So yeah, I'm going to jump straight out now. I'm going to show you that. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll progress forward from that. Right, so that's one thing I'm going to miss, that chrome reflection on the floor. Right, so I'm going to show you this straight away. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see on there, there's a lot of scratches, but this is the satin chrome gold. You know, it completely stands out from the car. The pinstripe's on because it obviously makes it pop a little bit more. Without the pinstripe, like you could see from that photo, it just looks like a plain colour. It looks like it's photoshopped. You can see how much brighter it is compared to the actual chrome. Check out that sun strip though. So yeah, I don't know if that's going to go with the colour that I want to change to. If not, I'm going to have to replace it all. So again, we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you guys think from that. I do like it in the sun, but I just don't like it in the shade. So yeah, if you guys think of another colour, like I said, it's going to be this sort of style, a matte satin chrome, but I'm not sure what actual colour. So yeah, let me know in the description down below. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.